Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a payment method inside the Hostinger for e-commerce store management. So once you're at the hpanel.hostinger.com homepage, so from the left side you will see multiple options. So just go to this option which is called billing. Just click on billing, and inside the billing you will see subscriptions, payment history, and the third one is payment methods. So just go to payment methods, and once you're at the payment methods, just click on add payment method. And once you click on add payment method, now as you can see, these payment methods are currently supported. I only see card, but you will depending on the country that you are living in, you might see the card payment method, the PayPal, or any other payment method that is available inside your country. So as you can see, Visa, Discover, American Express, and MasterCard, these are the options. So name on the card, make sure to enter your card details, card number, expiry date, CVC, and click on submit payment. And once you click on submit payment, that method will be added inside the hostinger so that you can use for your e-commerce store or any other billing that you want to do inside it. So that is a simple and easy process. Make sure to follow all these steps and you will be able to do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.